Alright, all. So today we got a new one. We're going to be talking about Global Protect. So, everyone uses whatever for their VPN. We are going to go about, um, you know, go about doing an install for it. So, for those who have used Global Protect, you go into your firewall, you activate the page. You will basically go in and set it, and then it will basically post the download on your portal website. You will then get to have prompts when users connect, like if they're not running the version you've activated. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do it with Intune. So you can do this two ways. It is an MSI file. You can just upload it as an MSI app. So if you're going to create your app, you could do it by just picking a line of business app, uploading your MSI, making your line there basically like what you want your command line to be. That works. The thing I find is MSI installs are very dependent on user restarts. It doesn't always happen. I always like doing a Windows 32 app with a PowerShell script. So real simple PowerShell script for this one, which we'll get into. So basically, I have my input folder. Notice it's not even like the input Autodesk. We're not doing anything crazy here, just two files. Your MSI download, obviously if you need more than a 64-bit, I would suggest doing two separate ones, one for 32-bit, one for 64, though I don't believe anything's still 32-bit. But here's our PowerShell script, right? So we're going to be real simple. We're going to go ahead and kill the service and kill any running apps for Global Protect. Then we're going to run our command line. It's going to call the install of it quietly. It's going to put a no restart, and it's going to put in the variable for your portal. So you can see I have removed my portal and put your portal web address here. It's really that simple. This PowerShell script, when it hits, is going to quickly shut down the services, going to run your install. As soon as the install is done, it's going to start it up, and your portal address is already going to be added into it. This makes it very clean. Then users can restart when they want to restart, but it'll still work. Gets everybody up to date, and happens in a matter of minutes. You could do the MSI, then like I said, MSI's download and they kind of install after restarts. So it's a different workflow, so your reporting back will not be instant. I like doing it this way because even if my users are work from home, at most it may disconnect for like 2 minutes, and then they can reconnect right away. You obviously set a time. We roll all of ours out at a timed at night, or I'll upload it at night, so whoever's online, it's going to connect. We don't have heavy workflows that rely on Global Protect much, but we do have a couple legacy systems that do. So doing this gets you quick and ready. The other thing with Global Protect, you'll notice they never change the name of the file. So once you have your script, you kind of have your script. This is always the same. I changed the version name in my script just so I know which download I have with it. They don't even have it in the details of their download file, so you can do that. Again, we go into the registry to get our keys. So you'll see we will look for Palo Alto. Here you'll find basically your Palo Alto. You can see the uninstall script right here. One thing a lot of programs miss is they put the I in uninstall script. Change that to an X when you do post it. So you can see when we go into here, I've already uploaded this the other day because we needed to update. So I already have this app created, but we can go and look at properties. You can see a couple people have failed. You'll see that sometimes. Sometimes it's just reporting back. Sometimes it's they have pending restarts, so it can't finish installing. Sometimes it's just they have like a corrupt version, or more times than not, it's because there's a bad download from Intune. and it'll just get it on the next pass. So literally posted this last night. You can see it's already hit a lot of my machines with clean installs. But we can look at those properties here. You can see that we've used like the logo here. We got our PowerShell script. We got our uninstall. And just like our basic stuff we pick. So our registry key is the uninstall key. I generally tag the version, but that's kind of it. That's the quick and easy way to deploy Global Protect. Get it out there. That way your users aren't asking you for their latest admin password to to run it if they connect and it's being prompted. This gets you ahead of the game. Thanks.